Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Charimia L. Iscuro. The visual text that I choose is a poem entitled Hope is the Thing with Feathers by Emily Dickinson. A little bit background. Hope is the Thing with Feathers is a lyric poem in ballad meter by American poet Emily Dickinson. The poem's manuscript appears in Fascicle 13, which Dickinson compiled around 1861. For consuming and identify, I see Dickinson's poem as a metaphor using a bird to represent hope. It emphasizes hope's persistent, unwavering nature even in difficult circumstances. In impact, the poem's impact lies in its simple yet powerful imagery. It creates a feeling of comfort and reassurance, suggesting that hope endures regardless of hardship. In influence, the poem's influence comes from its relatable depiction of hope as a constant comparison, offering solace during life's storms. The use of simple, accessible language enhances this effect. And lastly, imagine. I imagine the poem as a meditation on the resilience of hope, suggesting its strength and selflessness. For producing, I imagine I could create an animation of a small bird singing amidst various challenging weather conditions like storm, emphasizing its perseverance. In influence, I can do this by conveying the unwavering nature of hope and inspire viewers to find strength and comfort in its presence even during difficult times. And lastly, for impact, I can impact my audience by creating a calming and uplifting experience, reinforcing the poem's message of hope's resilience.